Several agencies held a public meeting just south of Absarokee, talked about the damaged roads and the bridges, and also how the river has changed. That will change how it floods now in the future. Also, some people talked about losing their homes, or maybe in the process of losing their homes, the way that river is getting up close to it.
Right now, their houses are hanging over a cliff. Get down there, let's figure out a way to get down there and help them, because it'll be like my house. I mean, there's no way to save mine.
The night before, it was just in the lawn, and so we sandbagged and did the necessary precautions, and by the next morning, it had completely surrounded our house, and the river had engulfed the whole area. And it took our deck off our house and put it in our neighbor's yard. So.
About 150 attended the meeting. Some of the agencies expect to check on the damage Thursday morning.
Working hard to regain access to as much of Stillwater County as possible. We know we have roads out, we know we have bridges out. We're working hard with Montana State DOT and our Road and Bridge office here locally, as well as our state representatives in the area, the governor.
The law enforcement and emergency crews asked that people adhere to the road closures, and that many of the emergency crews will be using those same roads.
Stillwater County sustained a lot of damage to the roadways. We were fortunate we didn't lose any major bridges from the county's perspective. We have seen some state bridges that were, and a lot of private bridges that were assessed by it. But the road loss is extensive. We've lost a lot of miles on North Stillwater River Road. We've lost some on Stillwater River Road, as well as we still are doing our assessment in the Reed Point and Park City areas.
Right now, we're just removing personal belongings and hoping that this weekend's hot weather doesn't cause it to flood more.
South of Absarokee, David J., MTN News.